Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite, and today I will show you how you can log out from one of your Gmail account. And first you have to go for the Gmail. As you can see, I'm logging with 2 accounts. So click Take Me to the Gmail. Right now tap on the right upper corner, click to manage accounts on this device. Click on Google, and as you can see here we got the 2 accounts, right? So tap on that one that you want to remove. Click on More, tap to remove account, confirm, and as you can see, it's finished. So right now when you go back to the Gmail and tap here, we will be logging with only 1 account. And if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.